Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. You've taken the time to create a beautiful certificate, so why send it with a generic, impersonal email? Connecting with your recipients on a personal level can make all the difference. With Smart Certificates, you can easily personalize every email you send, making each message unique and impactful. Smart Certificates includes robust mail merge capabilities, allowing you to dynamically insert recipient-specific information into your email subject and body. It's an easy way to add a personal touch that truly resonates. Once your form and certificate template are set, open the Smart Certificates add-on and navigate to Mail Settings. First, customize your sender name to reflect your brand or event, ensuring recipients instantly recognize who the email is from. Next, for the subject line, you can use powerful placeholders. For example, by typing, "Thank you, name." Your certificate is attached. Each recipient will see their own name directly in the subject. The message body offers even more flexibility. Craft a warm message and insert placeholders like name, designation, or any other form question to create truly personal greetings. Once you're happy with your personalized message, simply save your settings. Now, when a user submits your form, Smart Certificates will automatically generate their personalized email with the certificate attached. This level of personalization not only makes your communication more professional, but also significantly boosts recipient engagement and makes them feel truly valued. Transform your outreach and build stronger connections with personalized certificate emails. Install Smart Certificates and start personalizing today. Visit gwaddons.com or find us on the Google Workspace Marketplace.